Welcome to Natalie's Treehouse.
Hi guys, welcome to Natalie's Treehouse. Today we have the kids Tempsmigo's ice cream.
Yeah, today we have Tepsmigo's ice cream set. Are you excited to try it out?
Yeah, let's open it up. Look at all the different sets we have.
Yeah, here, let me show them real quick, okay?
Now we're growing, guys.
Yeah, Natalie's growing. She's really excited. She wants to be an adult soon.
Now let's open it up.
Here, I can help.
Oh, thanks, Mama.
You're welcome. Ooh, comes with a bag to put everything in.
And we got
Oh, a ton of ice cream.
there's a little teapot.
Yeah, it comes with a little tea set as well as the ice cream. That's fun.
And we have 2 tea sets now.
Yeah.
There's one little leg. There's a little leg. There's a thing to put ice cream in. This thing is for combos.
Is it for gumballs?
Maybe it's not.
Maybe it's to stick the little cherries. Or maybe,
Maybe let's make a little ice cream. Let's make a little ice cream.
yeah, can you make some ice cream?
Yeah.
Now can you push the button? Now the other end? Yeah, down there. Now let's go. Yay, you made ice cream.
Have I made like? Look at it.
Oh, that looks delicious. So that looks like a chocolate ice cream with strawberry syrup and a cherry on top. Yummy. What other kind of ice cream can you make?
I can make like going in the cup. I made ice cream.
Ooh, now we have vanilla ice cream with some strawberry syrup and a cherry on top in a cup.
And like this one too.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do the next one. On our order, which one would you like? Okay.
Can I have that? Oh, that's good. I would love some vanilla ice cream.
But which one would you like?
Or I could also take that mint chocolate chip ice cream.
Okay.
Yeah, like that. Can I have some chocolate syrup?
This one?
The one with the cherry. Not the chocolate syrup with the cherry. I don't think it's...
No. This one.
Oh, you're going to give me 2 scoops. Ooh, and some purple ice cream on top of my mint chocolate chip. What flavor is that purple?
Chocolate?
Yeah.
Do you want chocolate too?
Ooh, that looks delicious. Can you set up a little tea party for me?
Oh, yeah.
I think that's a little creamer pot. And that's a little sugar pot. Here, I'm going to show them a little creamer pot. The little creamer pot that comes with our little tea set. I think that little lid goes on the teapot. Ooh, beautiful.
And I think this one.
Here, let me show them. Our little teapot. And that's our little sugar dish.
Okay, which would you like next, customer?
Can I have some of that vanilla ice cream on a cone?
Like this one?
Yes, I think that'd be delicious.
I think you would not like that.
Oh, okay. Can I have some of the chocolate then?
Okay.
Ooh, that looks amazing.
And I think you would like the vanilla.
Yeah.
Bye, guys.
So, thank you for joining us, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and hit a thumbs up. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.